things that my friend was telling me about is that in Germany they were using the concepts of global scaling to actually have a communication system, which was an instantaneous communication between one point and another, like this Tesla-style longitudinal propagation, and it came about from the understanding of these global scaling concepts. And as part of his long quest to find new ways of dealing with chronic pain syndromes, he found out about the global scaling theory back in 2003. And he took a postgraduate course at Dr. Hartmut Müller's Research Institute in 2006. And besides his work on teaching practitioners and doing R&D, he still runs a holistic medicine practice where he applies the principles of the new physics that you're going to learn about in this presentation. Please help me welcome Dr. Rainer Viehweger.
There are some really stable patterns in the universe which he discovered, and I want to give you a short taster into that world today. So what we will talk about today is the resting state of all matter, and the resting state is the so-called eigen oscillation of all matter. And on this state, it seems that all matter can create a harmonious pattern where everything is interconnected, and on that state we would have access to all information available throughout the whole universe. We would like to answer some questions today. Could we consider the universe as a coupled chain of harmonic oscillators? Is there a global scale for this interconnection? And we will meet the so-called fundamental fractal, and we will try to answer the question, why is that the most important fractal? Because there are many different fractals on many energy levels, so why is that the most important one? And does this new knowledge, which I want to introduce you to, replace any specialist knowledge? So that we could say, when we are in the center of the universe, our information pool is the subatomic world. And we already heard in the morning from Aaron that if we calm down, if all the noise is gone, then we have access into those information fields using remote viewing or whatever else we would like to do. But for the stars, for the galaxies and the meta-galaxies, we are the information pool because of the scale difference. So when it comes from there, it's easier to meet us first before it goes to the subatomic world, which is closer for us to get there. And what we need to know about synchronicity, it can only happen if two processes that want to run in synchron, that they need to be part of the same bigger cycle. We need to ask, why are the structures and processes fractal in nature, and what is the cause of this logarithmic scale invariance, which is a property of all scales. For the first time we can see the scale, which is related here to the size in meters. And the smallest one is the Planck wavelengths, and the biggest is a meta-galaxy. And in the middle we find the sizes of human or animal cells.